when you've got all your bits, make sure you've got the right tools, all the screws, and I'm starting with the sliding bed. And it's a case of following the instructions. A lot of these blocks, a few hinges. Really check you've got the right piece of wood with the right holes everywhere. Double check before you screw any in. Let's see how we go. Make sure you get these the right way round. Don't fit them the wrong way up. Get them all correct. Number 3 on the sliding bed, page 1. Don't get this bit mixed up. If you have a look, there's 2 little notches. That piece of wood is actually this one that takes the hinges, not this one that's on the front part of the bed. Problem with this, to show you to fit the hinges, now you can't get these in, so I've got to undo the hinge and pop it back in. Oh, quite a bit of time and a lot of sweating later. This is one of the units built. I've not stood it up yet. Let's have a look. Oops. It's one half of the sliding bed. Well, so far so good. And it's going together. That's took me about 3 hours. That's what you'll see in the van. That's one done.